Let's build a data fabric to virtualize and join real-time and resting data for enterprise applications. Say a US equities desk wants a real-time concentration and limit monitor. We'll use relays and centers that are some of the components 3forge provides to build a complete, governed infrastructure. We'll deliver what the desk asked for in a Jupyter notebook, a real-time Excel spreadsheet, a React app, and, of course, a real-time, high-performance 3forge dashboard. And everything is being done via MCP from a Claude code window. It could be codecs or others. We support most models. The first step is to build the data model. Claude knows how 3forge works, so if we give it a list of sources, it will figure out a suitable data model. Here the sources are SQL tables for resting data and Kafka feeds for real-time fills and prices. They could be AMPs, Snowflake, KDB, or Solace. 3forge connects to over 100 feeds and databases. We start with an empty data fabric. No tables, no triggers, no procedures. Then Claude situates itself, builds up a plan, and defines all the object it needs. This is the foundation of the data fabric. After a bit of thinking, Claude has now built 8 source and reference tables and 12 derived tables. The next step is to connect the Kafka feeds to relay components, which provide reliable streams, message transformation, and payload-aware message routing. And finally, Claude converts the triggers that will update aggregation tables. 3forge centers deliver data consumption and distribution, so at this stage, the data is available in a governed way to all permissioned clients. That means if you connect the 3forge data source in Excel, you will see the real-time updates and charts in your workbook. 3forge also have a native programmatic interface to Python written in C++ for optimal performance. It allows you to see any 3forge table as a data frame and receive updates in real time. So in today's use case of a real-time concentration and limit monitor, you can access the various credit utilization tables for sector, desk, and trader that you are entitled to see. You can capture point-in-time snapshots, and if you're at home in Python, the rest is completely up to you. 3forge Enterprise can also feed data to a React application, including via WebSockets or a REST API, so you can use your existing front-end frameworks, and the fabric takes care of entitlement checks. And finally, you can of course see the data in a 3forge application, and the application itself can also be built using Claude. Multiple data sources that are live or resting, multiple consumers in various technology, one need for governed access to enterprise data. One solution, that's 3forge Enterprise. Find out more at 3forge.com.